we're going to show you how to change your front grille. You got 6 of these clips right here that you got to take out, just like that. Very easy. Most people will show you have to have a special tool for these. You do not. All it takes is a screwdriver, and there's 6 of them. And you can see this one's been done before. And we are going to sell this Jeep, so we want it to look a little better. There you go, there's all 6.
Did you say sell or seal?
We're going to sell this Jeep soon. Take this off. All right, there's no clips on the bottom. That's not supposed to be like that. All right, let's pop these off. Just twist them like so. And there, that's done.
Wow, he might make this Jeep look so good, I don't want to get rid of it.
All right, it's got all new clips with it, so that's good. Yeah, we're getting rid of it. Oh, look at this grill. Yeah.
Nice.
We're gonna switch everything over, and we'll put the link in the description below of what kit we got. There's no certain way these go. These just go on here. So
was that other one an aftermarket as well?
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and they skipped
That step?
Yeah, use our screwdriver again. And there is a little clip. Just kind of push it in. Pops right out. This one goes on this side over here. Just like that. Easy enough. So you don't need special tools to do this. You may have to press those things down to pop that out, but it's not bad. Put this back around. Install the lights back. It's pretty easy. And we're going to fit this in here, kind of where it goes. Wow, what a change. Mm-hmm. All right, now we got the new other clips. Pop them in like that.
This might be a record.
Well, I was trying to be quick. I think that went like that, right?
Yeah, we'll go with that. Wow, that looks really good.
And you just push these clips in. And there's 6 of them. And if you got to use an old one, no problem. So easy. It's a lot easier than it even looked on the internet. And what a difference. And I think we paid $100 for this grill. And we'll link it.
One thing about a grill, or about a Jeep, you can customize so much with it.
Oh yeah. And this is one of the biggest ones here. We don't necessarily like the angry grill. I don't know if you do, babe.
Well, I mean,
It
kind
is.
of why we picked it.
Well, I picked it because it was cheap. We got an extra one of those too.
Yeah.
It's nice when they give you extra parts. Mm-hmm. There you go. We're done. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bells for notification.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
That may have went underneath that. I think it did.